Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Litecoin. We're going to do a full update. I know a lot of you are interested in Litecoin. Personally, I'm very interested in Litecoin. It's still one of the strongest coins out there at this point of time. So we're going to do a full analysis. I mean, I've yesterday in my middle of the day market updates, I briefly talked about Litecoin and potentially shorting it, and I still kind of stand behind that decision. I mean, someone in the comments said, I mean, don't short Litecoin, and I know where that comes from, because I mean, if you look at the markets the last week, I mean, take a look at this. Most of the markets since the 9th of February is not doing great, and then you take a look at Litecoin and you see Litecoin not only has rallied, that's not what I wanted to do, has not only rallied, but it has rallied 26%. Even though it's a multi-billion-dollar market cap asset. And it has actually also been able to hold support and so far, hold some sort of an uptrend right here. So then if you zoom out, what you can see is that the structure here for Litecoin is a range, right? For the majority of the time, we have bounced back and forth between 140 and the support level right here at $98. So then the question is well, do we have enough strength? Because it's obvious that Litecoin is very strong. Technically, it's obvious. Fundamentally, it's obvious as well. With the ETF coming, hopefully in the next couple of months, but definitely with an ETF coming at some point of time. So it's obvious that Litecoin is strong, but is it strong enough? And are the markets good enough to facilitate a breakout above this level between 140 and 150, which is ultimately the level we want to break above to get up to next levels? Let me quickly do this, by the way. Like this. To get up to next levels right here, probably at $180 and $200. And even though I love Litecoin, I love Litecoin probably as much as you do, I think short term it's most likely we will actually move up there. I don't think we'll break out, right? I think we will reject, and I think we will at least drop back down to the middle of the range right here at 115, potentially even dropping all the way back down to $100. That's just technically most likely, all right? If the market turns stronger, like if Bitcoin is able to break above 100 and 1,000 for whatever reason, I mean, the announcement of a strategic Bitcoin reserve can be anything, then Litecoin will break out, all right? So Litecoin will easily break out if the market turns more bullish here, but the volume in the market has been kind of going in a downward spiral for the last month. Bitcoin right now is quite bullish, but it's mostly because of shorts being closed, which again is not the bidding you want to see if you actually want to see a bullish breakout. And in general, this level around 145, let's make it easy, is just a very strong resistance level, right? So you need a lot to actually break above that. And if you take a look at Litecoin right now, it has quite a lot, but the volume is also down 12%, so it's losing some momentum right there. And I would not be surprised if we actually have a bearish divergence going on with the price. Which, is that actually true or not? Yeah, that's true. Here you can see price is making higher highs, while the RSI is making lower highs. But yeah, so that's why I think it's most likely that we will spike up higher, but then from there we will start some sort of a drop at least into 115. And then from there, I'll keep you updated. We'll talk about it again. Like I said, fundamentally, I'm very bullish on Litecoin, but just technically, I cannot tell you we're going to break out. So then I have to tell you that I think we'll reject and drop down lower. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.